Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take a look inside of my Ipsy June bag. So if you're excited to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into the first items that came in this month's Ipsy bag for June. So I have, it's called Look at Me Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask. And it says that it's smoothing and nourishing. We also see in the back how to apply the mask. Now, I didn't wear this mask and try it out simply because I already tried these masks out. You can get this at CVS, you can get this at Forever 21. You can get it pretty much anywhere they have face masks these days. And these are just the sheets that actually you open it and it's just one whole sheet that you apply to your face. And then you take it off and then you rinse it off. These, I will actually tell you that they are amazing. They're very nourishing, like the claims say, and I really enjoy them. Is it something I use every day? No, because I just think it's tedious and I can just use regular foaming wash that you pump out. I mean, this is fun if you have like a girls' night, but yeah, it's nothing too serious. So let's just get straight into the makeup because let's be real, that's why we're here. So we don't have many products, but you know, Ipsy comes with 5 products that are travel size and you pay $10 like we all know. So let's see if these products were kind of worth it for $10. So first thing I'm going to do is go in with this eyeshadow, and it's by TETRIS, and it's cool packaging. It says Game On, and it's like just very funky and great for summer, I think. And this shade is called Top Out, and it's this beautiful blue. And I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. So this is how it is on the finger. And I'm just gonna apply it to my palm. Okay. You guys see that? For the eyes, I already primed them with my AOA. I'm actually gonna use my BH Cosmetics. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get a transition shade from here because we're only working with one single shade, unfortunately. And you know how I like to get down with my eye look, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Let's get it cracking. Hello. So I'm gonna take this orange shade because I want this to be a nice bright summery look. So now that we have that blown out all over the crease, I'm gonna take the TETRIS eyeshadow and I'm gonna dip into it with the flat shader brush, and I'm gonna see what happens without wetting it. Okay, this is pigmented. I love the shade of blue. This is just wonderful and it glides on like a dream. I'm impressed already. So first product, so far so good. So this is going to be a pretty basic look. I'm just taking this all over the lid. So get it pretty much everywhere and build it up. Don't be afraid to build that up because this shade is beautiful. Love it. And I'm going to start to wing it out. I should have put some eye tape on, but oh well. This is perfect for like the 4th of July. Hint, 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 it's coming up. So I'm gonna do the other eye and do the same exact thing. By the way, this brush I got from AliExpress. I actually reviewed this set in one of my latest videos. I will link it in the cards. Whoa, okay, things are getting messy. Things are getting messy, but I don't care. That's what makeup wipes are for, duh. So we do get fallout when you build it up, so I mean, Okay, so now that I have this messily all over my face, I'm gonna take some makeup wipes, clean it up, apply some liquid liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Oh wait, and foundation, because we don't have foundation in this Ipsy bag, so I'll be right back for the rest of the face products. See you in a bit. I'm back. Okay, so now I'm just going to test out this next item from Ipsy, and it's the banana setting powder. I'm actually super duper excited about this. Any banana powder that I get is a plus, so I'm already happy about this bag. Anyways, this is by the brand BELLÁPIERRE Cosmetics. Oh yeah, these are the lashes that I'm wearing if you guys are interested. It's just the Eyebrow collection. Thumbs up. I was actually really excited about that product. So now I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm so stoked about this product. I'm happy that I got to try it out for the first time, I believe, and it's just this mini size, but you know, it gets the job done, and the product is actually really great. That's just my first impression of it. It combs the eyebrow really good and makes everything look nice and neat. You guys, this is my new Holy Grail all-time favorite Morphe double-sided pointed foundation and concealer blender, and I have multi-purposes for this. As you can see, I can use it to wipe away my bake or to apply the bake or the actual foundation and concealer. And then the smaller side is very convenient for getting into the inner corners. And you can also use this to highlight both the inner corner and the apples of your cheeks. So I'm excited. Just wanted to share that with you. So this is the last Ipsy bag item, and it's the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush in 01 Peach Peak. Now the shade I wouldn't per se use for my skin tone, because as you can see, it's barely showing up. So this is someone with more fair skin. However, the product and the consistency is very nice to work with, and I look forward to picking a different shade in the future from this brand and letting you guys know the real tea. As you can see, it is quite buildable as well. And just like that, you guys, the look is complete. Tell me in the comments below what you think of this look, and what do you think of the products in general. What did you get in your Ipsy bag, and do you think it's worth the $10? Me personally, I actually canceled the subscription, and it's nothing against the products. I just think I can do without the mini products per month for $10, because I am trying to cut back on my spending. But with that being said, the banana powder is my all-time favorite from this whole bag, and I love the brow gel. Actually, all the products were really great. It was just the blush that wasn't my color, so that was kind of a bummer. But I do freelance makeup, so I can use that on someone else's face. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye. Mwah.